Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tangal online class. Date 10/11/2020 from Bhaigat Ideal Degree College, Mumbai, Tangal. How are you, students? I am fine. And in the most of Almighty Allah, in the most of merciful, in the most of beneficial. So, dear my student and sister, how are you? This is the new office class. So, always determine this class, all the students, subject, degree, English compulsory, third year pass. Topics, correction of sentence, part 1. Correction of sentence, part 1. So, it is a truthful example. It is a truthful report. It is a truthful report. So truthful, it's a wrong sentence, an incorrect sentence. So have this sentence and meaning, all the students. So main words, all the students. Truthful, this is adjective, but interchange true, it's a incorrect sentence, incorrect sentence. So correct sentence, it is a true report. It is a true report. It's a correct sentence. And all the students, and follow this: truthful, subject, verb, article, adjective, report. So correct sentence, it is a true report. Next sentence, all the students. So truthful, true, only rules, interchange, strong, bad, much, many, little, small, no less, no fear, today, this. Interchange this, correction. And I have a strong headache. I have a strong headache. It's a wrong and incorrect sentence. Incorrect sentence. And only answer correct sentence. So I have a strong headache. Subject, have, main verb, article, strong, adjective, and headache. So interchange strong, bad. I have a bad headache. I have a bad headache. It's a correct sentence, and correct and incorrect. So next sentence and next rule. Next sentence and next rule. I am much happy. I am much happy. I am much happy to see you. To see you. Incorrect sentence. It's a incorrect sentence, so correct sentence. So much interchange many. Much interchange many. Correct sentence. Correct. Correct. I, subject, I am much, many, I am many, happy, happy to see you. So to, but infinitive and no preposition. Infinitive. See, finite, non-finite verb. See, non-finite verb. So, next example, and next example, and a little number, a little number of girls, a little number of girls passed, a little number of girls passed. It's a incorrect sentence. Incorrect sentence. So follow the students and determine all the students, and it's a possible sentence, but no hard sentence and easy sentence. So only interchange little interchange so small, and change the small. A correct sentence, a small number of girls passed. First, this is a past from and past indefinite. Past indefinite tense. So past indefinite tense. Clear all the students? And if you any question may just I solve you. So next example, no less than 2, no less than 200, than 200 people, was there. So it's a incorrect sentence. Incorrect sentence. No less than 200 people was there. It's a incorrect sentence. So mainly identify no less. Mainly identify this sentence only no less, and change only no less the no fair. Correct from. No fair than 200 people only plural number but no singular number. So change to verb. Singular verb, and only identify this plural noun, plural verb, correct sentence. Were there. So correct answer. No fewer than 200 people were there. It's a correct sentence. So next, Ali came today. Next, Ali came today morning. Ali came today morning. So identify this sentence, and it's a wrong sentence. So looking for this correct sentence and point this today. Point this today. So Ali, correct sentence. Correct sentence. Ali came this. Ali came this morning. Only change today and this. Interchange this. So it's a correct sentence. Subject, verb, extension. Subject, verb and extension. Next, kids is a kids is a Popular's poet. Kids is a Popular's poet. Kids, mainly kids, and verb, article, Popular's. So change popular, popular. Interchange this. Only identify Popular's, but change popular. So kids is a popular poet. It's a correct sentence. Kids is a popular poet. Next example, and possibly this correct sentence. Two and two makes four. It's a Prabhat sentence. So interchange true and plural number. So makes verb, main verb, and change main verb. So two, correct sentence. Two and two make four. It's a correct sentence. 2 and 2 make 4. And no add this s. So no add this s only without s. This verb. Thank you very much all the students, and waiting for next class. So it's your important class, and it's a always needs you. Always need you. You should good luck, best to good luck. Khuda Hafiz.